Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front brake pad and rotor on 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. It's a V8 engine. So okay, let's get it started guys. So it's tool required to remove it. You see the small screw in here to hold the rotor. We use a T30, T30, and the caliper slider bone here is number 19mm. The caliper bracket is number 18mm. And the one more tool in here is a caliper piston. It's caliper 2 to remove the piston end. Okay, let's get started guys. So right now we're gonna remove the small screw in here. Okay, it's a T30, okay. Oh, one come out. So we need to just hit up the tool a little bit. Up with the tool yet. Let me try to remove again. I hope it come out. It's not gonna come out, so hitting up. Okay, so I think that's enough, so let me try one more time. It come out now. Yeah, then let me spin the wheel to the side a little bit. You can see a little bit more clearly. You see the number 19mm in here on the caliper slider bolt. So they use number 19. Let me bring the 19 and remove it. It's good. Caliper put on the side, okay? And next we're gonna remove the brake caliper bracket. The bracket in here is they use number 18mm, so just remove 18. One's out, one's out. So it's out right now. Then we're gonna remove the rotor side. I'll put the rotor on the side. After this, it's time. Let me show you about the caliper. Can you see it? Let me put the camera to the place. Let's go to the. It's not a good place to put a camera though. Okay, just put it here for now. You see the caliper piston here. The piston has to be in because we need room to put the brake pad. So right now, let me put my tool in. Then and you keep spinning, and the caliper piston gonna be go in. If the caliper piston not go in or stuck it, you have to replace the caliper. Okay. Make sure the caliper in smoothly. It's one very good caliper because the car is brand new. So put it in the pops, it's not allowed to pop it like that. Everything had to be smooth. Okay, so the caliper good. And next part, I'm gonna show you more. Let me find a good place to put the camera, or maybe put the camera on the floor for now and show you. See the caliper bracket in here. We have to remove the shims out. We're fixing old shim, we don't need it. After you remove the old shim, clean up. Put that side. Clean it up. See all the rust. It start building up. So we'll make sure clean it smoothly on both sides. This tool very good. I bought it from Snap-on. It's so awesome. It's been with me almost a year and it worked very good. So we finish one side, then flip to the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna put this special grease to lube the brake slider. Make sure the brake slider in and out smoothly, and put the grease specially in here and one more side. Very important to check the brake caliper slider. So lube. Okay. It's now time to install the new bracket shim. Okay. Just put it, lock it. It's perfect. It's awesome. And one more. Make sure we stay in the center. Perfect. Okay. So it's time to install the new rotor. Okay. Let me move it. Clean the surface of the top a little bit. Okay, so let me bring the new rotor and then reinstall it. This is a new rotor here I got from a Chevy partner, original. Screw, install the screw here. And move to the side, and we reinstall the caliper slider. You know, like the procedure how to do the brake job, this almost every car they are the same, but in some car you need to understand it. You know, if you don't understand it, you put it, you get problem. Yeah, some car, yeah, the brake job it look easy somehow. It's some, no, not really. You need to understand some. Yeah, look like electric brake, brake, emergency brake. You need to understand more before you start do it. And let me see one more here. Perfect. And you see, let me show you. You see, they have the two brake pads. One for inner, one for outer. Very important to know about it. Okay. This one for inner one. You see a big difference. They have this extra space in here. This one for the inner one. Okay, let me install it. Smooth. And for the outer brake pad, you see the plastic near the. We need to remove it out. Okay. Then we install it. It's on the brake pad. Make sure, okay, it's smooth in, smooth out. Smooth in and smooth out. Not too loose and not too tight. It's very important. And then time to reinstall the caliper back. Okay, it's in now. So very simple. Just tightening, put the slider bolts in and tightening it, and you're good to go. And I'm gonna do on the rear too. Gonna record, show you how to do on the rear brake pan rotor also. It's awesome. Okay, so right now is all set to go, but after we put the tire back in, make sure you go inside the car, step on the brake panel like 4-5 times. Okay, make sure the panel harder and you good to go. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Any question, just let me know. I'm happy to give you more detail on it. Okay, thank you.